let's go on this adventure. Look at this flower here in front of the house. Pink. It's our after dinner walk. We had mac and cheese today. They ate all their food. It's 86 Fahrenheit, 30 Celsius, no heat index today. Sun feel warm, but there's no heat index. There's a light wind blowing. Oh, that little doggy's over there. You guys would have a ball together, you know that? We got cucumbers getting bigger. The cucumbers getting bigger. Hey, let me get a raspberry. We saw deers out here early this morning when I walked before work. One was by the fence over here. Didn't have my camera with me though. I brought you out to use the bathroom because we got to go to bed in a little while. Barkley was bugging me after I watched the movie. Kept running to the door. So you better do something. What were you doing? Earlier I had my stew with me and I just sat out here while they were just doing their thing. And they weren't doing much. Just standing there, looking around. That's all they was doing. I do some of these boards here on this bridge. This Shelly made. So it don't rot. I can always replace the board. It's only a plastic pallet under there. It's really heavy duty one, thick one. The flowers. You like that flower, Barkley? Huh? Smell it? I like the purple ones. The flags ones. Oh, look at these. These are actually starting to bloom now. They usually don't bloom anymore because they're all in the shade. I guess we've been taking care of them. No, I haven't done much to them this year. Just water them once or twice. And I didn't water yet lately because good girl, Lucy, good girl. Because we were supposed to get rain yesterday, but we didn't get it. So this weekend I'm gonna have to water really well. I think I'll water twice this weekend. Barkley, no, you know better. Sorry, Lucy. Barkley just, ooh, that dog, I swear. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. Good boy. He listen, I ain't later, so he'll step in. I'm gonna get close to the flower, show the folks the flower. Come here. Damn it. Darn it. Look at, we got a red one popping up too, besides the purple one. And then we got pink one, and we got the blazing star. The yellow one, I don't see that no more. Maybe that died off. But these blazing star, they actually draws a lot of bees. Look at it. Postman probably don't like that. I actually trimmed the front of the mailbox. One time, first time was 2 years ago, I saw a hummingbird moth over on one of them. First time I saw a hummingbird moth. Yeah, it's awesome. I had to Google it, you know, see what it was. I haven't seen anything like that before. Oh, I kicked the light. Cheap lights anyway. Barkley, where are we going? Come on, let's go. Thank the folks who walked with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching, folks. Till next time later.